And we see what is relating. Okay, you are on the Mona. Yes.
Out of the norm.
Yes. That's a millennial description. It was an adjective to describe a millennial with a trait of youthful rebellion. Ona. Ona kindu kia mbere ri the very first characteristic ya ona ri ungetwikire very confident ri ni warigithagia andu ni woneka wi muna ona ongi wari kwenja box yes. Weje box. Kwaja hikere meja box mare Minaa.
Mioru.
Well, they never used to look very good.
Jete box okay kire. Kire murato wa sport.
Yes. Kwaja mundu waina kindu gitagwo Walkman. Walkman. No menye Walkman iyo ndagia kuharukirie headphone. Akuaroragira kamuogu.
Aguokagira hani.
Yes.
Eria matu.
Okay, igothikirie muno. Break ya sabari akwehereria.
Walkman.
Kiwa never gonna give you up. Akeheria. Okay, no way.
Oh yes, sumu.
Ere moni anagiriria mwe hau mugakire inyuothe muthikiririe karikage. Wale ona. Riu he ona ongi wakora riu na Minaa. Wago cenjia walking style. Riu kukwari guthuka.
Kuharibika.
Guthuka na. We riu ndungiheka uhoro.
And Minaa nayo they used to think that they know everything.
And most of those Minaas never ended up to be anything substantial in life.
No. You see, they could not be advised.
They could be. No, I mean, that's why I called it youthful rebellion.
Yes.
Heo nduru mawe aga style. Na style kau magari nyimbo-ini cia Black America. Na makorogota moka Nairobi. Wakwa ni mundu watwairwo relegation gicagi ni ageretie maica ma city.
C'était Kimurega.
Either the odds
or the gods conspire to send him back to the village.
And the universe, they said his place is the son of the soil. Riu ni okana ona wake.
Kuma city.
Mutigathondeke ati kamuonia gucoka gwake kiria gicagiri. It's very calculated.
Yes. Na mumenyage atiriri. He knows beyond the village.
Yes, this circumstantial. Riu he undu mathia akibouncaga. Yes. Kubounce. He undu athiaga ike guoko muhuko. Guoko ngigathia gikagia guoko kumwe mbere. Here. Athia kamwena kamwe takuguru kumwana atiga ki?
Thutha.
Na thutha. Ile munene yoyo. Yes.
Yoyo. Another millennial saying.
Miyoyo naona. Kwaja awana kaire tu niguo bounce maita ngiri. Ka bounce kau nika koragwo kiria accelerated ne kuona ready.
Akongerera madoido na shaini. Here.
Acoka akianyita haha etote haha.
Akireru.
Ireru anyita akiu na karaka ya kuorota na hiki kia yes kidole sambusa. Kira muiki. Niaje sis. Nimembro na wewe. Nimekumbroia. Usikini kwambia nimefollow na wewe. Nimekufollow.
Minaa.
Eke urauga. then no gialere weri wenda ugisagi waku hindi yori uka influence on mona oyu na wajie ona ningi twenda mundu muhiju.
The malnutrition.
You see, if you are not a very good feeder circumstantially, eno se mariana kilo mawega. Why you bounce? You look like you had a structural problem. No, bouncing was for the people with a proper frame.
And you see, Minaa no yagi ukasitiri.
Yes.
Ni yagi shoka ginya naguo ona no afatara matonyo. Ti matonyo ni ngima ya kawaida.
Ti kira machani mix ya kira karure. Uzo kyo dio ka bounce.
Ni yagi wetu Minaa na wena gutho atana.
Na mokasi. You look silly. Did you not bounce? Yeah.
Ona no wenda gaitonyo riho.
Na atondu bounce ri uma kianda wina theci. You bounce na farm tool.
And equipment.
Me now na diana tetaruta wira ki. Wa muguda. Yes.
Na ne level of cleanliness.
Yes. Cleanliness and some access to some upwardly mobile lifestyle. Yes. We to mo na hai wa tura bounce na me atoka.
No ke bounce na na koni ya kawa ruki ade.
And then your shoulder bones are very, either days yo. We go kwenda ndo the mari aceke. Twihi. Iwe gukuri. Cia de ona nyoni no igwe hau egurare. No urenda ko bounce.
Ndeti atahanga.
We ko bounce ko leta go spring. No Minaa kwaja muna agia korirwo ni ari ya wega gongo ni matukanagia indo cia mugunda no hiyo athaka.
Ne shamanagia na balanced diet.
Yes. Acokere unioyaga ki
mahiga.
Ona chuma mahiga. Andu macita chuma roho. Nioyaga ki
ni chuma.
Na mundu wa chuma ni atigira goro no kondo ibara.
Ni oneka hana tage guthu age kuringa kune.
Ade mau ati cio kuringa ngudi ni umiakiragia. Mwamu ati chuma. Toka tumira brot na kofia ya fira.
Tisangenge.
Fila. Kana fubu. Yes. Mirore ti ha.
Na mutisha ti wa 5'8".
Yes. Hedio ikarete no na haria the doctor maikaraga. Aya ni how precious. Aya ka sport. How maikaraga riu. Irure mwe no. Na dia ringi mwe no. Kaiga moko hau atagati uguo riu. Yes.
Riu ni Minaa.
Like a proper predator. Ete Chio ke asihire. Na Minaa ri ona naguo ndendaga ninge mundu mucamuragi.
Pigmentation.
If you had too much melanin,
you'd look fake.
Yeah, you would look like a wannabe. Minaa ona kwaje na kishanuri. Kakashanuri kada kanini. Nakwamenya kau nigi yake personal. Tigi ya family.
Nigi yake personal.
Lewe ogeta ona na kishanuri ya family. Kayu ane ilo sega.
Oe.
Mami yangu asokia kishanuri nyumba.
Okuira a shared tool.
Yes, a common resource. Hedio muna wewe na kitu gito bandana. Koranda kana bandana. Koja bandana ishore tu kikiria kihonge gia fagi. Ni uri agithukane ora improvise banda na kumana maritho mama mwanyu maria ahurukire
Don't look bright.
Banana yaku yandikitwo hau esimu mjinga wizi
Yari tho wako baby.
Or in the quest of looking like a yo-yo. It's a bad system.
Yo.
Uhana riu kibabi aka kibabi kia umo riu thina na wathia kweria kubounce we tondu menyerete post iyo ri ukahingu na bounce ningi ni enda ukamenya kwira bounce tondu hiyo ndungia bounce ire bounce yaku ecenjie mara moja watengerio ni ngui
ni gucenjia you revert back to the old self.
Yes. Hedio urathio githikagiria Gangsters Paradise. Kurio. Yes. Na we na ifuku wandikithire murwa Craig David with I am walking away from the troubles in my life.
Ainoga matingimenya icio ni ndu.
Ainoga matingimenya rwimbo. Rukirite hindi ria ndanyitire marua ma mwathani
thini wa Ngai
na kuko gija kuyurite Minaa in the house. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away to find a better place.
Never mind. Not all, but a good number of Minaa.
Yes.
That was just it for them.
That was the highlight of their lives. After that, they went into some sinister oblivion. We don't see them around much. I think they made their statements 1 minute too early.
And left the scene.
Yes. It was Mwaki of Madarara. Never mind during their heydays, they were like wash people. Some girls would buy their clout and would get pregnant for them.
And he would comfortably walk away.
Yes, from the troubles in his life, like his theme song. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away.
And he would walk away
to find a better place. Sometimes.
Again, another 46.
Minaa yo the either. Yeah, kama utamayu sorry. Mayoyo. Na mahomi.